Welcome. Play the balloon game. If you win, you get the grand prize. But if you lose, you might be sad, so be careful.
How do I play? Play the balloon game? Sure.
Okay, here are the rules. It's easy. When it's your turn, you can choose to pop 1, 2, or 3 balloons. When it's my turn, I'll do the same. Wait, there's a strategy to this. Because this is based off of an old game.
Okay.
So you need to be able to leave. You need to be able to leave your opponent with. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
It's a math thing.
Yeah. So if he leaves you with 4, you lose.
Okay.
You have to leave him with 4. Or no. Because did he say the last one wins?
The person who pops the last balloon wins, yes.
Okay. So if he leaves you with... If you can leave him with 4, you win.
Yeah.
So...
I'm not good at math. I am the worst at math.
Pop however many. Let's see where we go. Okay. Okay, so we're at 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So if I pop 3, I'll leave him with... He'll be able to only pop 3, and that'll leave me with 3. Unless he decides to pop the 2, or...
Which he might. So what I would suggest is don't pop 3.
Wait, get out of the closet. What are you doing? If I pop 2...
I'm trying to think this out.
Right.
Pop 2. Okay, now he's gonna pop. That leaves you with 5. You're gonna pop 1.
Okay. You lost. What?
Oh, okay. So it wasn't whoever's left with the last balloon. Okay. Whoever's left with the last balloon loses. So you don't want to be caught with
The last one.
with
Okay.
4 on there.
Oh.
Okay.
Baby. Is that it?
Pop 1. Okay. Okay, now we're at 6. Pop. Hold on. Pop 1. Pop 2.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
You cheated.
Oh,
you want to hurt me.
Jesus. Oh, you're different. And you're gonna die anyway. Yeah, yep. Oh god, I ruined their livelihood. The grand prize was a necktie? Oh god, they're all panicked. Do I talk to them?
Specters in the park, what a panic!
Gotta like get in their path. I'm too scared. By golly, I'm just much too scared.
I knew we should have closed this place. It's far too dangerous. Far too much.
God, they're all panicked. Ah, I can't get over this wall. The specters are going to eat me. Dude, there's like an opening right here.
Are they panicking in the roller coaster room too?
Let me see.
Nope.
They're fine.
As usual.
They're A-okay. Alright, let's go talk to Zachary. And this guy's fine too.
Was that me or you?
I think it was you, actually.
This is the boss's office. I cannot let you enter. Unless you know him personally. But without proof, I can't. I might get in trouble. Is that a photo of the boss? And you're right next to him. On a roller coaster? That's terribly dangerous. Well, at any rate, you're a friend of the boss, so you may enter.
Thank you.
Shit. You shouldn't ride the roller coaster again. Who knows what could happen?
Boxes. Oh, sweet. Torso orb. Libra orb.
Good.
Scorpio orb. Virgo orb. Capricorn orb. And Gemini orb? Gemini orb. I knew it.
Alright, what do they all do?
They all give me power-ups.
Yeah.
Which I don't know if I fucking need them.
Do it anyway. Max CP by 15.
Okay. There's one. Scorpio orb.
Oh, what does Scorpio Orb do? Attack.
Attack by 5.
And just shove it on the battery.
Shove them all in the battery. Good lord. I wonder if there's anything if you hold onto these, because these are the second time that I found them.
No, they're just extra.
Okay. Well, I'm done here.
Alright.
Leave these guys in a
Wow.
panic. Alright. This is a very extreme... Oh. Ah! I wonder if I ride the duck. Can I go up here? Oh god. What have I done?
That resets you.
Yeah, just
I'm
keeps
watching you do
resetting.
that.
Oh no. Oh no. Did I fuck up? Oh no. Okay. This is what happens when you get curious, kids. Don't do it. We're going.
Never be curious.
Ever.
Ever. Go into the library, I think.
Okay, this is this entrance.
Try to go upstairs. Oh. It's not easy to find your way back outside. Everything looks the same.
Let's try to go back up those stairs. Save point.
Yeah, I actually don't know where to go from here, so this will be interesting.
Yeah, I'm like, this is gonna be a lot of running around. Ah, man.
Yeah, definitely not here.
Alright, should I go back to the mall?
Let me see. Off. Zone 2.
I'll look at these books, because I didn't look at all of them. Oh no, I did. I did look at these. Never mind.
Okay. So, let's see. Okay. Oh, go back to, let's see.
Oh, here's the residential area. Nope.
Oh, you're supposed to go back into the Pedalo maze, I think, maybe? No, wait, no, you're not.
I mean, I can.
Oh, there's a loyal symbol in that area, in the maze.
Oh.
That's what that is. Alright, then you get the... Oh, look at the picture, by the way. In your inventory.
Ah!
Ah! what you do. Go to the residential area and put on your necktie.
Oh! That's why I got a necktie. He was wondering, he's like, the prize was a fucking necktie? Ah. I know my ups and my downs.
And you're gonna want to save as soon as you're in the residential area. And you can now these guys have different interactions too.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. Oh, at least the one up on top left does. Like top left. Oh, you're wearing a tie. You must certainly be trustworthy.
Totally. So if I wore a necktie, could I go into the really fancy houses in Tucson?
Yes, that's how it works.
That's how it works.
Okay, I'm now no longer looking at the walkthrough.
Okay. Damn. This is a big residential home.
There is still time to repent of your omissions, miserable ingrates. Beg for my forgiveness at once, or you will return to limbo in an instant.
Who is that talking?
Pitiful cretins, I am here, right before you, ready to send you to hell. Well, are you prepared to offer apologies to your father and protector, you bunch of sops?
There's nothing but an old cat over there. That could be dangerous. A cat, it has sharp claws.
Yes, and that can spread diseases.
Have you heard that story before? About the guy who got scratched by a cat?
Ah! I loathe you! I hate all of you!
But where's that voice coming from?
Someone who seems to be in a bad mood.
Yes, you should just enjoy this place. Be quiet and calm. Here, we're safe.
But it was me! It was me who made all of this for you! Are you so blinded by your pathetic fear of life?
This is quite strange, isn't it?
That is enough!
Are they all gonna die?
I am going to teach you to respect me!
Yeah. Oh god, they're all panicked. These poor guys. Is that a vault? Let's purge those impure beasts, and fast.
You have 4 minutes.
I am on a timeline.
You need to purge them.
Oh, I have to? Okay. Well, this is gonna be quick.
Yeah, this is gonna be the quickest. Oh god. 7 phantoms.
Ah, come on.
That
Come
guy's
on.
terrified.
He is terrified. That one's getting chased. Please move.
We have time.
Ah, there you are.
It's not gonna take us 4 minutes to do this.
Probably not. Not unless I get lost. Oh, what the hell? Okay, there we go. Thanks, Omega. I think that's Omega. This music got very intense. Damn keyboard sensitivity. Boom. Okay, there are 5 left. There's the other one. Come on. Come here. These ones are all weird looking. They're lumpy.
Yeah. You could probably do a scan of one of them.
Yeah. Okay, there are 4 left. Now I just gotta find them.
I think this is the way to get to the stairs to go.
Yeah. So I got them.
Ladder or whatever. Nope.
Oh.
Back to the beginning. Oh, go back
Yeah, that
into
look-
that house.
Well, there's also this ladder.
No, you have to go into the house to get to the ladder.
These guys have some weird houses.